Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the OpenCV and link it to Visual Studio 2015. So open the Chrome window and copy and paste the link provided below. And it will lead us to the OpenCV website. Scroll down and find the WinPack because we are using Windows. And we will waiting for about like 5 seconds and uh, the download will be triggered, so save wherever you want. Now wait for a little bit. I'm gonna skip this process. Now we successfully download the OpenCV. Go to the folder we saved and open it and extract the folder. It will create the OpenCV folder. So actually I'm gonna relocate this folder to where all the softwares are installed usually. So let's just do the quick tour, and here we are. I'm gonna relocate this folder to the documents. Here we go. And right now we need to work with the environment variables so that our system knows where OpenCV is. So click the this PC and go to the property and click the advanced system and find the environment variable and click whatever you want and press the keyboard P to find the path and go to the new, and now we need to find the directory to copy and paste. So basically we're going to go to OpenCV and go to build and open the x64 and go to VC15 and open the bin folder, and we are going to copy this directory on the top. Click it and Ctrl plus C and click the new and paste it. Now it's done. Click the OK. Click the OK one more time on the bottom and exit the window. Now we are going to work with Visual Studio 2015. Open the Visual Studio 2015 and create a new project. Go to the file, go to the new and click the project and create a C++ console application. You can name it whatever you want. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna change the file quickly and go to the next and click the empty project and finish the process. Alright, now since there's no source files, before that we are going to change the configuration to 64 because it's easy for us to do it. And excuse me, yeah, I'm going to create a new item which is C++ file, and you can name it whatever you want again and edit, and we go to the solution explorer here and right click and open the property, go to the C or C++. We're going to add the additional included directories. We need to find out the directory, so actually it's in OpenCV folder. Go to the documents where I saved the OpenCV and go to the build folder and go to the includes, and we are going to copy the directory on the top and paste it to the window we opened earlier. There we go. Press OK and go next step is we're gonna link the library and add the dependency. So for that we can go to the linker and go to the general category below and find the additional library directories. Click edit. So similarly we will go to the OpenCV folder and go to the build and go to x64 and VC 15 and go to the library because it's related to the libraries and copy the directory on the top. There we go, and paste it to the window we opened earlier. Press OK. The last step is provide the dependency of our source code. So find the additional dependencies, click edit, and it's all the similar process. So here, this is the library we are looking for. The end of the file name, there's the D, meaning is for debugging. So there we go. But actually, we need to do something manually one more time. So that is coming up soon. Apply and press OK. So before we code with OpenCV, we need to type the .lib, which stands for library, so that it can recognize the name of the extension. Right, so I'm gonna try to run a simple code that uses OpenCV. So here I'm gonna just copy and paste. It is provided on the description down below. So only you need to do after you paste the code in the Visual Studio is go to open the property and go to the debugging, and then there's a command arguments option and click edit, and you need to find the path of the image you wanna open and read. So let's find out. For me, I save the image where all the C++ files are. So go to the Visual Studio 2015, go to the project, open my current project, and there we go. I saved the image here. You can save wherever you want, and then copy the directory here and go to the Visual Studio, comment the argument, paste it, and additionally add the name of the image with name of the extension. So apply and OK, and we are ready to run the code. So I'm gonna explain the code video next on the next video. So please stay tuned and see you next time. Now we successfully read the robot image. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.